Guys, this is one more viewpoint which we are stopping now. So this place is too good, too good, too good, too good. See how much clean the water is. This place is too good. We need to visit once. So I have visited so many trekking points, but still Dudhsagar vibe is not matching for the other trek points. Guys, this is too good. Guys, this route is crazy. Don't miss Dudhsagar. Dudhsagar looks crazy. Be careful, guys. Don't go without guides. So from past 4 years I continuously visited Dudhsagar, but all the 4 times I visited with different routes. So I'm having a great experience here and new experience. Guys, this is looking so good. One more iconic view. It might be
साहेब आमच्या समोर आले काय ट्रेकन कोण आ रहा है
ऊपर से आ